To use the printing function, you must first open an assembly and then click the Print button. This allows iPrint to identify which documents need to be used. To facilitate the use of the program, each button is equipped with contextual help. Simply hover the mouse over the button to view the support information. It is possible to view the bill of materials in two formats, model data or structured. Both formats replicate the structure proposed by inventor within the bill of materials. The active bill of materials type is indicated by a star placed on the corresponding button. The bill of materials browser is divided into two sections, hierarchical view and drawings view. The hierarchical view allows you to see all instances of the models and their arrangement within the tree. The drawings view, on the other hand, shows only the available drawings. The displayed bill of materials is fully customizable, allowing you to select and arrange the columns as you prefer. By clicking the Column Selector button, a selection window opens, showing the available columns on the left and the arrangement of the columns in use on the right. In addition to inventor's standard data, columns can include special data, such as the Content column. You can also add columns representing custom properties by clicking the Add button. The columns displayed in the bill of materials offer the ability to filter and reorder the content. Filters allow you to isolate documents of interest, making it easier to focus on the most important elements. Now let's look at the core of the printing function. In the bill of materials, there are columns that indicate which sheets should be printed. Simply check the checkbox to indicate to iPrint whether or not to proceed with printing. If multiple rows are selected and the print status is changed, all selected rows will adopt the same status. When iPrint analyzes the drawings, it gathers all the sheet formats to be printed and displays them on the right side of the window. To proceed with printing, all sheets must be correctly configured. To do this, simply set the 4 necessary parameters to send the sheets to the printer. iPrint allows you to add and modify drawings exclusively for printing. To do this, you can use the dedicated functions. These modifications are immediately removed after printing, restoring the documents to their original state. Adding a text field allows you to insert the field within the drawing, specifying its position and rotation. The content of the field is defined in the Settings panel under the Values section. Adding a property field allows you to modify a property of the model or document. If this property is linked to the drawing, the printed document will reflect the change. The content of the property is defined in the Settings panel under the Values section. Before printing, you can choose the order in which to send the documents. To change the order, simply press the button representing the desired sorting method. The star indicates the currently active sorting order.